இது சொல்லு என்னது?
Atto.
Good. How old are you, Akshar?
7 years old.
I had multiple issues with Abhijit. Inadequate speech and also regression of speech was there.
Is it grapes or apple? Grapes. And what color is this?
Now it's almost 2 years since I have been coming to Samvad. There is a lot of improvement in his speech aspect. Yes, Abhijit? Yes. Now you finished that?
Moon.
Yeah.
Moon.
Yeah, moon. You want to draw moon? Draw. And now he is able to speak in 3 to 4 words. He is trying to make sentences. Before it was signing or showing sign for his needs, or it's all broken words. Now he is able to convey the basic needs, whatever he wants, in a proper sentence like normal children.
What are you doing, Vivek?
I am catching fish.
Samvad was set up with a number of objectives. The first being to provide quality but affordable diagnostic and therapy services for people with speech and hearing disorders. The second was to conduct UG and PG courses to cater for the shortage of manpower in the field. And finally, to conduct awareness programs to improve awareness of different aspects of speech and hearing through camps, street shows, and programs in schools and colleges. We are an academic and clinical institute. Even though we are a fledgling institute, our students have done us proud by getting the first rank for 3 years in a row in the Bangalore University undergraduate program. Our diagnostic department is well equipped today with all the latest equipments required for accurate diagnosis for speech and hearing disorders. The last 7 years has been a struggle. The hearing assessment instruments are very expensive and the arithmetic was just not working out. It was a catch-22 situation. Unless we had all the instruments, our caseload would not increase. And unless our caseload increased, we could not achieve our other objectives. Then one day, 3 years ago, Mr. Sanjay Kejriwal visited the institute and he generously donated this instrument that is used for hearing assessment.
I've donated the 10.5 lakh machine to Samvad because I found Radhika and her team very dedicated to the job, and by giving this machine it could generate a monthly income of about 20 to 30,000 rupees. So I thought that if we give the machine, then it could be a self-generating project and it could benefit the institution.
Thanks to Mr. Sanjay Kejriwal, we had the BERA instrument now and our department was fully equipped. Our caseload increased steadily. We started getting a lot of children with hearing impairment coming to us for therapy, and then we started a preschool for hearing impaired children 2 years ago. We have 17 children in the school now. For children like Titus who are born with hearing impairment, the role of an audiologist is very critical, as we have to find the best hearing aid to help him hear again. Titus has been with us for 7 months now. He has learned to use words and he has started using words meaningfully. He calls his parents, he responds to his name consistently. We hope in the next 2 years that he will be able to go to a regular school.
இப்போ எங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமாக இருக்குது. ஃபஸ்ட்டு இருந்த பையனுக்கும் இவனும் ஈக்குவலாக பேசுகிறது விளாடுறது எல்லாமே நார்மல் பேபி மாதிரியே என் ரெண்டாவது பையன் இருக்கிறதுனால எங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். இப்போ எழுத ஆரம்பிச்சிருக்கான், பேசுகிறதுக்கும் நல்லா பேசுகிறான். அதனால் எங்களுக்கு வந்து ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமாக இருக்குது.
இது என்னது?
Apple.
ஆப்பிள். குட். இது
Banana.
பனானா.
Our therapy center caters for about 80 children with different speech and language disorders like stammering problem, clarity of speech, children with hearing impairment, children with autism, mental retardation and cerebral palsy. The role of our mothers is very important, and we insist in our institute that a mother comes with a child every day for every session. All the therapy programs are individualized and tailor-made for the needs of every child. If a child comes to us with basic 2 or 3 words only, then we work on increasing his vocabulary and moving him to be able to speak in sentences. If a child comes to us who has no ability to communicate at all, like cerebral palsy children or children with autism, we start using signs because communication is important.
बुक ये बुक है ना बुक
For children with autism who reach a basic level of communication and cannot go further, we start trying to train them to work to be independent. That means we teach them how to dress independently, bathe independently, brush the teeth independently. And for a few children who have great potential, we improve their language to a level that they are integrated in a regular school. Among our adult clientele, we deal with stroke patients. A stroke affects people differently. For some patients, the understanding is affected, and for some people, the understanding is intact, but the speech is affected. Mr. Kaval Hira is one of our clients who came to us for 6 months regularly for speech and language therapy, and today he has successfully overcome his communication disability and he is back at his business.
I was abused that I had to learn what these children are going to learn. But I was ready because I knew that I have gone back to my childhood and forgotten my writing and speaking.
Our future plans include expanding our preschool with a transport facility and to start a school for children with autism who are not able to get integrated into the regular schools. And finally, to start a stroke rehabilitation center which will provide all the services that a stroke patient requires for complete rehabilitation, which include physiotherapy, speech therapy and cognitive therapy under one roof at a nominal cost.